Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products on the market today. Today, we're looking at what I believe to be the best 8x10 chipboard available, the 100 chipboard sheets from MagicWater Supply. These chipboard sheets are perfect for any crafting enthusiast or professional, offering durability and versatility that's hard to beat. Now, let's jump right into what makes these chipboard sheets stand out. First off, these sheets are crafted from 22 PT heavyweight brown craft cardboard, ensuring sturdiness for all your creative projects. Whether you're into scrapbooking, creating picture frame backings, or even making notepads, these sheets have you covered. The 8x10-inch size is just right for a variety of uses, providing ample space without being too bulky. And at 0.022 inches thick, they offer that extra layer of protection for your photos, prints, and artwork. Plus, they're made right here in the USA from recycled paper, so you can feel good about choosing a product that's eco-conscious. It's a win-win for your crafting needs and the planet. Whether you're a professional crafter or a hobbyist, having a pack of 100 sheets ensures you always have enough on hand to fuel your creativity. Now, let's talk value. Similar products might offer less in terms of quantity or thickness. But these chipboard sheets strike the perfect balance of quality and affordability. Customers rave about these sheets for their reliability and versatility. They're great for cutting, gluing, and shaping into whatever your project demands. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best 8x10 chipboard sheets out there, look no further than the 100 chipboard sheets from MagicWater Supply. With their durability, versatility, and eco-friendly credentials, they're a must-have for any creative workspace. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, happy crafting!